In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Meta Ads Manager. Whether you're new to digital advertising or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information needed to start your campaign with confidence. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Meta Ads Manager. This is your control center for managing and creating ads across Meta's platforms, including Facebook and Instagram. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can easily find it by searching for Meta Ads Manager in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, log into your account. It's important to be sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple business accounts. Upon logging in, you'll land on the Ads Manager dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of all your existing campaigns, if you have any. From here, look for the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this tab will bring you to the Campaigns section, which is the starting point for creating a new campaign. Now, locate and click on the Create button. This button is typically prominently displayed and will launch the campaign creation flow. Here, you'll be presented with a series of steps designed to guide you through the process. The first decision you'll need to make is selecting the objective for your campaign. Think carefully about what you want to achieve. Are you looking to drive traffic to your website, increase brand awareness, or perhaps boost engagement on your social media posts? Your chosen objective will tailor the campaign settings to better meet your goals. After selecting your objective, you'll move on to defining your target audience. This is a crucial step, as reaching the right people can significantly impact your campaign's success. You can specify demographics such as age, gender, and location, as well as interests and behaviors. Meta Ads Manager offers detailed targeting options, so take advantage of these to hone in on your ideal audience. Next, it's time to set your budget and schedule. Decide how much you're willing to spend and over what time frame. You can choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget, depending on your preference and campaign needs. It's always a good idea to monitor your spending and adjust as necessary based on performance. Finally, you'll need to create the ad itself. This involves choosing the format, such as a carousel, single image, or video, and then crafting the creative elements, including visuals and text. Make sure your ad aligns with your overall campaign objective and is visually appealing to capture your audience's attention. Once you've reviewed all your settings and are satisfied with your ad, click Submit to launch your campaign. Congratulations, you've just created a campaign in Meta Ads Manager. Remember, it's important to monitor its performance regularly and make adjustments to optimize results. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.